Okay, Michael, Sissy, it's Michael's happy 5th birthday. It's time to open it. All your gifts. Today is October 20, 2016, Michael's birthday.
What's this?
Mike, you're out. The
How do
Sit down. Mommy, help, mommy, help, mommy, help. Okay, baby.
these are the clothes Grandma was telling me that she bought.
Okay.
Mama, here.
Oh my.
These are
Wait,
big.
that's way too big.
They're for you.
I'm sorry.
These are for you.
Hey. Mike, sit down there, sweetie. Sit down. Sit down.
How do we even get this?
Daddy, Sissy, get up. Sissy, please, Inja. Thank you.
Just got back in.
I'm sorry, my love.
It's because you need scissors to cut these, of course.
Yeah. You got it? They're opening. Yeah, they're opening.
It kind of looks like Scoop and Bob
This is
the
their
Bear.
favorite part, opening presents. Opening
Look,
presents.
Sissy.
Don't have an accident.
Sissy.
That's easy to
Sissy,
do.
look.
Oh, that's from Miss Kelly.
Mom, you also gotta
Always
cut
start
this.
when it's a box like
Daddy
this.
gets one. Michael needs one.
Yeah, always start from here. Then look, Sissy.
Mark, that's from Miss Kelly.
Up here. Up there. Mike.
Sissy, over here. Again, the camera over here. Sit down beside Michael.
You gotta cut these lines.
Right here.
And also ones on the wheels. Why he open the box? There's also ones here. Yay! And
Allah, look at that truck. Look at that, Sissy. Wow.
Mike,
Wow, Sissy, you got those.
hey Mike!
I hope they fit. I had a guess on it.
Yeah. This is a little big for Sissy.
And a big girl and
That's why I need to eat a lot.
hey!
Hi!
Right on the cake, Sissy.
Sissy!
Mom.
Oh my gosh, I need to wash this now.
Gotta watch
Open it up and look at the front of it.
Open what up?
That
What?
black thing and look at the front of it. It goes with
Sissy,
the
can you put
jeans.
this on the
Hey,
bag, please?
open up those
Front
tights
of the.
and look at the front of it, Sissy.
It's got fancy stuff on the front.
Oh, it's not a pipe. It's a shirt.
Look at the other side. Turn around. There you go.
No, it's just plain on the back. The front has got it on it.
Yeah.
And the jeans has got jewel things on.
Mike, your giant box.
That's from Grandma. Rip it, Bobby, rip it.
Wow. there's a card.
I had to tape it down on there so it wouldn't get
Mama
lost.
don't play when it comes to wrapping stuff.
You're right about that.
Sissy, will you please read? Thank you, baby. What is this? What is it, buddy? What is it?
This is a mini one.
Wow!
It has blocks too. Get it out, get it out. Mike. Hey, there's another one.
Sit down, Mike, sit down.
What's this one? Mike,
Look at that.
Mike, Mike, Mike. Look, me and Daddy bought this for you.
Oh,
Thank you today.
Yeah, Sissy picked it out and she put the bow on it and everything.
Let's tape.
Yep. Whoa, buddy. You got a lot of stuff.
It's fourth
And
stone.
the one thing that he wanted to do, which we're going to do later, is he wanted to go to
yeah.
Toys R Us
Been
and pick out
dreaming.
tracks.
Look. And this wait.
What?
Look at that.
Mickey Mouse and Dory?
Hello, Dory.
Where's Mickey Mouse?
Wow,
On your,
Sissy.
you're wearing them.
Wow, look at that doll.
There's more.
Did you
Look,
get
This
this
is
Mike.
doll?
Ninja
You got a whole
Turtles.
Bob the Builder.
I don't know if they'll fit or
This
not.
is
I had it, like I said, I'm having a
This
guess.
is a robot shirt.
Whoa.
Robot. This
Hey.
is for when
Looky there, there's your Princess Dolly.
It's from Grandma.
this is Monster Truck
See,
Split.
Sissy. Look, in Mommy's hand.
Hey, this is Monster Truck Split. This is Monster Truck.
Nice doll, Mike. Oh,
Look, it's
Sissy.
Monster Truck. Look at this.
Whoa.
Oh, Daddy. Let that, open that, please.
Mikey, open the box.
Look at Dory, buddy.
Another Dory thing. Mikey, there's another one. What is this? What? Money in it. Look.
Whoa.
And
Oh.
look, it has a call here.
Yeah, Miss Kelly always do that. Yeah, look at
Oh,
this.
what does this say?
Oh, Sissy can read.
Comes with some barriers
What does this say?
and
It says,
cones.
"Grab it up."
Mike, look, Mike,
Happy
oh.
birthday. And look, it has a call on this.
They really tie those things in there too, don't they?
Yeah.
For a minute where you have to fight to get everything out.
Tape on it and the tape wants to rip the things off.
Yeah.
It's what I really wanted. I
Whoa.
really like this.
What
Yeah,
is
you
that?
got somewhere
Huh?
before, huh?
What's that?
He said, that's what I really wanted.
Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
Melody.
That's what he's been
Oh.
really wanting in the
Murdoch showed me
TV.
pictures of
Sissy
Daryl and
finally
Wendy
got
and
it.
Melanie. David.
Ah!
Wendy is fat now. I couldn't believe
Mike,
it.
in the floor,
Wendy
Mike.
was like this.
Mike, in the floor, in the floor.
I mean, Wendy Brown,
Oh.
or whatever her name is, champion now. She, you know how slim she used to be? Her face still looks the same, but her body is, I couldn't believe it. And David, Burdick said he just got it off
Mike,
of
you finally
Facebook
have the
or whatever
bed.
they do it on. He showed me a picture of Daryl's
He's been really
tattoo
wanting.
all
This
over
one.
his neck, his arms.
That's a bear.
Glows in the dark.
Mike, it's a bear.
And he must have custody of his little girl, because I think
Finally,
Grandma, too.
you finally got the magic tracks glow in the dark.
Come out of there, my little bear.
and you got a baby one to go with it,
Oh,
somewhere there.
really?
Yeah, because I bought a little one to go with it. I
Hey,
think it's right there.
That she's holding?
Yeah, that one.
there's
To
a
go with
blue
it.
car comes with.
B, he's been really wanting this in the TV.
And also,
Hold on.
and also the stick,
Don't damage the
and
box.
also stickers come with it too.
Yeah?
The stickers that come with that.
Oh, Sissy, open your doll.
Even
Daddy will open it. Daddy will.
you could even make a hamster.
Oh,
Do
You
that.
can make
Sissy.
you can make a hamster wheel with the track.
You can.
Hamster wheel.
Hey, look.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Glow in the dark.
Oops, let me get out of the way here.
That's glow in the
This
dark.
is your tracks?
Yeah.
These are the blue ones.
That's magic track, like glow in the dark and
Look,
it will.
buddy.
These the green ones.
Hold this.
Mike, put in the floor!
What?
Mike! Put in the floor so you get it right in the floor.
Here's the red one, and here's the yellow one. Oh, here's the little one.
Put in the floor.
Yeah. What's this?
Look, Mike.